Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to archive and unarchive Instagram posts. It's pretty simple and easy, so let's jump right in. Tap on profile at the bottom right corner, and first way I show you how you can archive any post on Instagram. You just select any of posts that you have on your Instagram profile, then tap on three little dots near any of posts, and here you will see archive, so tap on archive. And now this post is archived and hide from your Instagram profile. To unarchive any of your archived posts on Instagram, you just go to your profile, tap on three little lines at the top right corner, and then proceed to archive. Next step, at the top, tap on this middle section and select post archive. Here you will see all posts that you archived on Instagram. You just tap on any of posts, then tap on three little dots, then tap on show on profile, and that means this post will now unarchived from your archived post on Instagram. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.